In this video, I will be showing you how to connect the OKX wallet with Xempire. For that, the process is very simple. All you have to do is to go to the top right corner where the three lines at, just tap on it. Once you do it, you will see the airdrop option over here in the menu. Just tap on it. Once you do it, you will see that I have already attached a wallet in it, but I'm gonna disconnect it so you guys can understand the whole process pretty easily. So here the wallet option will appear. All you have to do now is to go and swipe to the right side. Here you will see view all wallets. In the wallet option, you will see OKX wallet over here. So all you have to do is to tap on it, and what it will do, it will redirect you to the OKX wallet. So select OKX as the application. Once you do it, all you have to do is to wait a while till the application boots up completely. So once it will do, it will show you the connect option. So then all you have to do is to go and tap on the connect option. So here the connect option has appeared. All you have to do is to tap on connect option. So now your wallet has been connected with the Xempire application. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.